Right now is for the few brothers that's in here, I got to do something for the fellas. And it's called Break the Cycle. Brothers, it's time to break the cycle of being fatherless to our child, letting our nature run wild, being boyfriends instead of husbands, chasing girl after girl, bringing unwanted children into this world. It's time that we make a stand and evolve it to real men, so the next generation may have a chance to understand why to keep their nature in their pants until they walk down that aisle, turn and smile, then say their vows while holding hands, looking into each other's eyes, and suddenly they realize that being a player wasn't meant to be. It was merely an act of stupidity. Playing with someone's emotions is a shame. No one should have to face that route. Breaking the cycle is what I'm about. Yes, I'm getting down on my knees to link our love, to link our chain. If you're smart, you'll do the same and break the cycle just as Michael did to all the records to the NBA. But when it comes to love between two people, it has to be 50-50 to make one equal. That's that piece.